Hey guys, welcome back. So things have gone a little unexpected. Just driving around Noah's BRG R53 and we start smelling oil and boom, the valve cover is actually cracked in the back. Dumped a bunch of oil out everywhere. It was a hot mess. We got it towed home, but I want to make sure that this thing is drivable and movable. So I'm donating the valve cover from my spare motor to his car so that we can make sure that it's drivable and not dumping oil everywhere. So that's what today's plan is. Hopefully this goes quick and it's not a huge pain. I'm praying that it's not. I'm gonna try and get new gaskets for it if possible because I don't prefer reusing gaskets. So hopefully I can get a gasket for it. Hopefully all goes smooth. Nothing else breaks. So I'm gonna get started by pulling off the valve cover off of my spare motor.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Moving on.
So when I got this car, it had a jumping misfire and I always thought it was so strange, and so I just put it down to the ECU being corrupt, because when you would reset the car it would jump again and then eventually it would stop. But now I'm just wondering if it's because there was a glove in the motor. Once again, I've said it before, I will say it again. I would say I'm not shocked anymore by these cars, but honestly this is pretty shocking. This is pretty shocking. Well, I think I mentioned, obviously there was a lot of complications pulling that valve cover off of the parts car on the back. It's actually cracked, so I just went ahead and got a new valve cover. So that's what I'm going to be dealing with today. I'm going to put new gaskets on it and put it in Noah's R53.
Moving on.
So I have all the new gaskets on and the new ones in here. Pressed in, I tried to get them as flush as possible. So, yeah, and then this one, I just wanted to make sure it was, this main one, I wanted to make sure it was sealed right. So I actually ran my finger along it with pressure to make sure it slipped into the valve cover properly in the right spot so that we don't get any leaks or anything. So I've gone over it a handful of times because again, I really don't want any leaks. If you know me, you know I hate oil leaks. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm still making sure there's nowhere that's lifted or anything. And then now I'm gonna go take the other one off so that we can put this one back in.
Take me to the place. Won't you take me to that place? Won't you take me to that place? Won't you take me there, man? Because you said enough, you said enough, you said enough. Because you said enough, you said enough. I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Push me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, name, you understand. I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck. Push me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. I wanna leave, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. I wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, name, you understand. I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck. Push me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. I wanna leave, you understand. I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, name, you understand. I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna walk away.
Alrighty, so overall, not too hard of a job. Car's 100% back together, which is great. Did take some time, but yeah, I just wanted to note that I think a part of the problem was we put the MSD pack on there and I didn't add gaskets to it. I assumed that the MSD box might have been thicker, which is why it came with different bolts, but in reality they just had the little sleeves in the MSD pack itself. So make sure you put the 2 gaskets on it to give it room, because I think that was a part of the failure of the valve cover, is they're a little too long, so I will take responsibility on that one. But I do think it also was going to fail anyways. By the looks of it, there was cracks in it, but who knows. I think the MSD pack, putting those bolts in, definitely made it come sooner, so that's really unfortunate, but it was a cheap fix thanks to the junkyard. But it did take some time, so just so you guys know, do dedicate some time to this. This is not a 5-minute job, but yeah, not too bad. Peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one.